So how many cases has SPO3 Santa Isabel been involved before? Or has been charged before?
So far, there is only one, Your Honor, the kidnapping of a certain Arlintan in Monumento, Caloocan in March 2007, Your Honor. But the status of the case was was dismissed, Your Honor.
Yung pong
You
ano,
were a driver from Napolcom, SPO3 Santa Isabel. Paano kang nakapasok na pulis?
Sir, graduate po ako sir ng BS Criminology po. As nakapasa po ako sa civil service saka sa exam sa Napolcom. Nakapag-apply po ako nung nagkaroon po ng quota noong 1996, nung July. Kaya po ako nakapasok po ako sa PNP, sir.
Nakapasok ka sa PNP, 1996.
Opo, sir.
From that
Pagka-graduate
time
ko
to
po
now,
ng college, sir.
nagkaroon na ng kaso before, di ba?
Wala po ako nagiging kaso, sir. Puro bintang lang po nila yung kinakaso nila sa akin, sir.
Yun na rin yun.
Meron ditong kaso ka na yung sinabi ni Chief PNP.
Totoo po yan, sir.
O,
Pero
na-dismiss lang.
hindi po rin, sir, ako involved dyan.